And here we go. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Whoa. 1949. There we go. Almost. I got the wrong screen, man. Let me change this. I'm going to change my virtual background back to the crypto moon. Okay, guys. Let's change it back to the crypto moon. Where's my crypto moon? There it is. So hello again, guys. Welcome again for another exciting edition of Crypto Moon, because when was it ever not exciting? It's always exciting, right? So let me tell you what the shows are coming. So I've arranged this really to take advantage of the current situation now, which is really great, okay? Which is really great. And Henry is here, okay? Henry is here. It's awesome. So today we're going to talk about Gary Gensler. He is the new Securities Commission chairman. On Wednesday, don't forget this, making 10 times my money. Yes, I made 10 times my money. You do the calculation on Polkadot's version of an IPO, okay, which is called an IDO. So that's on Wednesday. Ask your friends to come in also. And then Monday, February 8th is going to be another great day. When was it never a great day at Crypto Moon anyway? So that is when what we will do is this. We will then go into talking about cryptos, and the hottest thing now, Wall Street bets. And Wall Street bets also have a crypto arm, okay? If you guys want to know, they are pushing Ripple now, which is XRP, which makes for a very interesting discussion today. And on Wednesday, February 10, Moonbeam. Yeah, the Moonbeam token sales is about to come out. You guys know Moonbeam is like my favorite Polkadot project now. I expect it to go. Now I'm not supposed to tell you about price, right? But personally, eventually, I expect this project, which brings all this Ethereum into Polkadot. You figure out how far it can go. You know, just know that. Yeah, I'm going to show you some things on Wednesday. You guys figure out how long it can go. But before we do that, yeah, let's see what's happening on Bitcoin. Man, Wall Street bets is causing havoc, which is good. Okay, Ethereum is still struggling here. Okay, I see here Ethereum is still struggling. We've tried to make the high here, right? 1, 2, 3. We've been repelled at all cases now. So I think if we go up to the fourth one, we will definitely break this. Where is the next target? We don't know, because Ethereum, when it does breaks out, tends to go very high. Let's just see what was the point of the last breakout. See that? See that triangle there? See, look at that breakout. How long did it go? It went from like 753 to almost double. Okay, I don't think it's going to go double. I don't think it's going to go like 1,005 to 3,000. But I think that 1,000, 2,000 is definitely within reach. Okay, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin once again still hasn't gotten out of this bearish triangle. Tried to break out, then was quickly repelled back. But hey, this is a nice support. You know, I'm not going to go 4 hours. 4 hours is too confusing. Okay, guys, let's go daily. Yeah, look at that. That's better, right? So definitely, if it does break out, I think we're going to see 50K up till 56K. Okay, of course, the support is somewhere down here. What's that? 29. Yeah, around 29 is the support area, and above that, it really goes. But what makes it interesting now for crypto is this, is Wall Street bets. Okay, the Wall Street bets army are in, and they are really causing a lot of speculation, not only to stocks, not only to GameStop and all that. Okay, GameStop, not GameStop. What am I talking? Not about GameStop, but the rest of the world. Okay, I mean, I'm talking about this also. Look at silver, guys. You guys in silver, man. Look at silver, man. This is Wall Street's bet, okay? I mean, this is serious, guys. Look, it just went out of this box. Awesome. This is Wall Street's bet, guys, pushing XRP, pushing Ripple tonight. I want to see, there's supposed to be an operation tonight to push up XRP or Ripple around 9:30. I want to see what happens. Is it going to go to the moon, or is this just a way to trap the crypto boys, the new noobs in cryptos, and get them caught with their pants down, okay? Because it has gone up. I would have been interested in the pump had it gone down, but man, it's gone up. I am going to pass, okay? I'm not going to pass. I'm not going to go in all these things. But and look at Doji, guys. Look at what happened to Doji. Look at that. 0.06, 10 times. Okay, guys, it went 10 times. Is it? More than 10 times. Okay, let's just say 10 times because you're not going to catch the full thing. This went 10 times to like 8.9, got dumped more than 50%, right? To 1.9, and now it's like half of what is there. So be careful if you want to. Be careful, guys, if you want to play all these pumps and dumps. It's very dangerous, okay? It's like YOLO. I know the younger boys like Henry, they thrive on this, right? Because they are the young and the brave. Just don't get burned, okay? No, getting burned is okay. Just don't get caught with your pants down, okay? I'm sure there's a lot of chastity police somewhere in your country, okay? Don't just do that. You might get caught with your pants down. But if you know how to play these with Wall Street bets, why not? If you've done your homework, why not? Look at that. Look at that dump. Did you guys see that dump live? My God. Look at that. Look at that. What's happening? Oh, God. Look at that. What's happening to the other smaller coins here? Wow. Can't believe my eyes, man. Did you guys see that? Like, I just went down and up and down. What is happening? So this is what I said. There's a lot of speculation in XRP, which is Ripple, which is our topic today, right? But before that, what's happening in Bitcoin? Haven't seen each other for a week. Look at this. Tesla CEO Elon Musk. He is also supposedly the CEO of Dogecoin. That's a joke. Okay, that's a joke. I am not serious. That is a joke. And he has said that Bitcoin is on the verge of broad acceptance, and he is a supporter of Bitcoin. Of course, his tweet, okay? His tweet caused Bitcoin to go up, man. His tweet, he did it all on a tweet, guys. Where was that? I think it's somewhere here, right? Yeah, this tweet. This was Elon's tweet. This was Elon's tweet here because he put Bitcoin on his Twitter, right? That Bitcoin symbol on his Twitter, and that just caused it to break. Eventually, it went down again. But yeah, this is good, and now it's threatening to go up again. This is awesome. Okay, I told you guys, right? Bitcoin is, look, and look at that. Visa wants to work with the exchanges, wallets on digital gold, Bitcoin. What's the new digital gold? Bitcoin. What is the new digital Ethereum? Silver. And look at silver. Even silver is like, is silver going as crazy? Because I just want to see this. This is history in action. Oh, look at that. Well, silver's holding steady. Only what's affected seems to be Ripple, right? Look at this guy. You guys saw that just now. You guys saw it in front of me. Right? So I'm monitoring that also. So that's what we want to talk about. Another thing is, please invite all your friends, because if I can see, I only see 16 guys here. If I see 100 there, I will find you guys an airdrop. Okay, I'm going to find you guys an airdrop. Now, there was an airdrop recently, but unfortunately it's finished because you guys didn't find the 100 people. So ask your mother, brother, sister, whatever. See, if 16 people, invite 5, we're already there, near 80, near 100. We should be there. Okay, now let's see an example of an airdrop to motivate you guys. So look at that. This is an airdrop. I got 119 ICP. Look at the price today of that airdrop. I mean, can you guys look at the price of that airdrop? No, I unshared. Oh my God, I unshared. How can I unshare this? This is not right. See, look at the price of that airdrop, right? This shakes you, okay? This is going to shake you. Put this down. We don't need to see my bank statement here. Look at that. Look at that. That is worth 119 ICP times $70 is worth 8,330. That is an airdrop, okay? That means I kind of didn't pay for it. Now, how would you guys like not to pay for this, right? So invite your friends and whatever, because if you don't do this, you might never get this. You understand? Invite your friends, guys. Invite your friends. You guys need to invite all your friends. Yeah, I don't know, Andrew. I don't know what's happening to XRP. I'll explain to you why. That's why we want to talk tonight about Gary Gensler, right? So look at this. So do you know that recently there was another airdrop? You didn't get a lot, but had you staked 1,000 USDT or whatever it was, 1,000 USDT or US, I think it was USDT, you put it, and you can't lose with USDT because it's tied to the US dollar, you would have gotten like 4 ICP, right? 4 ICP is like $280. This is only for 4 days. I don't know what the return is, but hey guys, don't you want like 28% in 4 days? Seriously, 28%. That was the airdrop in ICP. This is an earlier airdrop. I have 119, so mine is worth $8,330. But you guys could have gotten this $280. So guys, start bringing your friends in, okay? Start bringing your friends in so I can put money in your pocket through airdrops. Okay, guys, I don't lose anything. I don't lose anything. Let's see what Andrew says. What's happening to XRP? I know there was oh no, it's being dubbed. You know, there was supposed to be an operation tonight. So that's why I didn't tell anyone about this. You know, I know. So I just wanted to see, is this another trick to dump this thing? Because they always like to dump things, so it doesn't affect the rest. Yeah, it'll affect this one, like Stellar. And look at the rest, like look at the rest of this. This is like Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum is steady. I just want to see these guys steady, okay? I want to see these guys steady. I really don't give a damn about this because, you know, XRP is XRP. You guys are supposed to know what you're going in. Even XRP and Doji. Is Doji affected? No, wait. Let's hold Doji for 4 hours because this is all Wall Street bets. And they are the biggest hedge fund that's totally decentralized. Funny, right? Doji is not impacted. Doji is cool, so that's good. It's only an XRP thing. And that is why, guys, you come to this show to learn about things which you would not know otherwise, okay? Because you wouldn't know otherwise if you don't know this, right? You have to know the fundamentals. I always say you have to know the fundamentals because when you know the fundamentals, you know where to target, where to spend your hard-earned time to earn hard-earned money like this, right? You guys want this, right? See, that's ICP. Oh, it's only 69. You guys want this, right? Airdrop worth $8,330 because I know where to go to. So I'd like to give you guys some proposals for airdrop, but get 100 people there. Oh, it's 21. Good, guys. Get 80 more. Okay, ask your friends to come in. Now, this is news. Okay, now the new SEC chairman is Gary Gensler. Okay, he was formerly, and he's, look at this, okay? He's from MIT, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. You want to know, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology is working with the government of the United States of America to develop a CDBC, right? Central bank digital currency. I'm sure that Gensler had a small hand in it, or maybe a big hand, global economics and management. He actually teaches blockchain there. Okay? He's also part of the MIT Media Lab. This is very powerful. In fact, if you guys want to know, let me give you some facts here. Okay, I'm not gloating. I'm just telling you that the 2 top schools. What are the 2 top universities in the world, guys? Come on. What are the 2 top universities in blockchain? There are 2. Now, number 1 and 2 depends on where you come from. But to me, number 1 is Cornell University, because that's where Link kind of came from there. And the next one is MIT. Of course, MIT, you guys say MIT is number 1 and Cornell is number 2 because I graduated from Cornell. Okay, so that's where it is. So if you know people there, you kind of know what the next big coin is. I believe the next big coin from Cornell is going to be bigger than whatever is from MIT. I'm just saying that because I'm emotional. Okay, don't believe me. Okay, I'm saying that because of emotional, and we always compete with MIT. So again, Gary Gensler is from MIT. Really, really great guy. Let's see the news. Look at this. Woo! Fresh Ripple class action lawsuit. So it seems that Ripple has been having a lot of lawsuits from the SEC. Look at that. Okay, SEC files lawsuit, unregistered offering. The offering is like an ICO, IDO. You will see an example of an offering on Wednesday at the Fresh. Japan rallies behind XRP as Ripple faces US litigation. Sued by investor over SEC trouble. Yeah, he probably bought at high, and then now it goes down. So really, Ripple's future really depends on what the SEC is doing, okay? So this is Wall Street bets again for silver and that. So really, when you talk about Gary Gensler, okay, Biden, SEC, let's see the news here, SEC, let's go deeper, right? Gary Gensler, that, FinTech, regulation, blockchain. Okay, Gary Gensler to head SEC. Let's see, so he is probably going to be the most powerful man. Not only about Ripple, but also about this GameStop and all that, right? So let him decide. So the good thing is he is teaching blockchain in MIT. Isn't that great? He's teaching blockchain. So he's okay with Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay? But he's okay, be careful of this, okay? He has become a tough market watchdog. But the good thing is he knows, okay? He knows about blockchains. Man, he teaches it, guys. You can even look at his class, okay? So now it is class time. Pay attention, guys. We are going to go to Gary Gensler's class. It's on YouTube. You can see all his recording, right? We see, yeah, Big Red, Crystal, you know Big Red, right? Yeah, Big Red, Big Red. Yeah, we always lost to Harvard on ice hockey, but now I hear now we are the champions. So not only is Cornell the champion in ice hockey, we're the champions in blockchain, okay? Of course, Gary might not agree, but that's Gary. Who cares? Okay, so let's see what, this is him. Look, he's teaching money ledgers and Bitcoin. I think this is the best thing for a blockchain. Let's see. What do you have? Alan, are you here? Alan, oh, no. We had a student named Alan, right? Where's Alan? He asked this question. Let's hear.
There wasn't enough adoption by merchants, I recall.
Definitely not adoption by merchants. Very good. Third reason why they failed.
So this is why
basically across
currencies
these
fail,
four
okay?
things. Is it token or account-based, physical or digital, private or central, or widely accessible? And then all monies fall into one piece of this money flower. There's a Professor Garrett that came up with this flower, and there's an optional reading later in the
semester. What did he come out with?
You had a reading from Clark. There's not enough time, but all this stuff failed. Does anybody want to give me a flavor for one or two reasons why a bunch of digital cash failed? Did anybody read the Clark reading, the history of some digicash? Oh, I lied. Anybody else read it?
Yeah, who read it? Fad, did you read it?
Don. So what did you, what?
Zahn.
Zahn, what did you take from the reading? Why did these all fail? What's like the one or two biggest reasons they failed?
One of them, most of them still relied on kind of some form of a central authority. Right?
You don't like centralization?
Digicash certainly did. David John's piece and some of the others.
See,
any other big
like
reason? Lean, did you have?
There wasn't enough adoption by merchants, I recall.
Definitely not adoption by merchants. Very good. Third reason.
So again, you see that you're centralization. You don't like centralization now, right? I mean, you guys in Robinhood may have had problems in your account because it is centralized. You guys in Luno had problems because of the circuit breaker, right? They're trying to speculate XRP. But if it's decentralized like Uniswap, then you get better, right? That's why Uniswap is like $19. Fat, did I not recommend Uniswap at 380? Was it 360? I forgot. It has gone up like 5-6 times since my first recommendation there. Okay, I told you guys, get it there. Okay, so now like 19-20 because of this. Because of the drive towards decentralization. Okay, sorry, Professor. Didn't mean to intrude you.
And why they failed? One that's at the core of what Bitcoin solved.
Incentivizing like a decentralized network to keep that ledger, maintain the ledger.
All right, incentivizing the ledger behind her.
They couldn't solve the double spend problem.
That's it. Couldn't spend the double spend problem. Could a currency be spent not just once, but twice? So there's four things that were raised.
See?
Four things. There's about centralization, the double spend. They couldn't get merchants to adopt it, and there was some form of consensus as to what the ledger was. I'm going to flip through these quickly, but digital and
so really, you know, digital. The thing with Bitcoin is before this they couldn't do the double spend problem, and this is why Bitcoin tanked that day to about 28 or 27, right? Because someone said that you could spend Bitcoin twice. That was a FUD by BitMEX, and Bitcoin just went down. And then there's something called consensus. You have to have this. Now, Polkadot also solved this, and that's why Polkadot is really doing very well. And Polkadot is also much faster than Ethereum, so you don't get charged high gas prices, right? So that's what he see about XRP. So the CFTC, let me tell you this, the Commodities Futures and Trading Commission, you should know this if you're in Forex because they come out with a COT report, right? You guys know this, right? So they come out with a COT report. So as far as the CFTC is concerned, let me tell you this, Bitcoin and Ethereum are commodities, okay? They're not securities. They're not like stocks, because if they're like stocks, then they have to be under a different regulation. So these are considered to be commodities because they are decentralized. I mean, pretty much they're not controlled by a central authority. I think this is important because once you are controlled by a central authority, Lots of things like Robinhood happens now. You're asking about XRP. Let's see what XRP is doing first. Whoa, look at that. Up, down, massive volatility. Let's see what Gary now says. Let's see what our professor says about XRP. Listen to this. Is it a security? This is about the SEC lawsuit. You guys listen, okay? You guys gotta listen to this. Hey, where did the ad come on?
Xcurrent is the thing that they're using most right now, and that's just an alternative for Swift that doesn't even use their coin.
So Hugo was asked about the token XRP and whether I think it's a non-compliant security. I've spoken publicly. Yes, I do think it's a non-compliant security.
So the new chairman of the SEC, which is suing Ripple, again, this is subject to a process, could take many months, has said that Ripple is a non-compliant security, XRP. Let's hear more.
But this will not be resolved just by the Securities and Exchange Commission. It will be resolved by some courts, whether it's appellate courts or the Supreme Court. So what I believe is just that, it's a belief. But why would I say that? I think back to the Howey test. I think they are exchanging XRP. Ripple, the company, is exchanging XRP for something of value. And they're using it right now. They sell it every month. It's in a lockup, there's in an escrow, and they sell.
So that's wrong, okay? Because they have the XRP and they're just selling the XRP to raise company for the operations. That is wrong. You're not supposed to use the tokens for that, okay? So they've been selling and selling and selling to push the price up. This is wrong. Let's see what Gary says about this also.
XRP every month. Ripple, the company, initially did the Genesis block back in 2013, but kept 80% of the tokens. Now they have about 60% of the token. But they sell it on a continuous bet, 100 million to 200.
So again, let's listen to what he said. They initially had 80% tokens, okay? This is 2013, and then they sold it, right? They sold 20%, probably now have 60%. I'm sure they have less of it now. Okay? I'm sure they have less because they sell to keep the operation going. This is not good. This is not centralized. Let's see.
100 million or so a month of value. Two, I think it is relying on a common enterprise. I think Ripple, the company, XRP investors are very much relying on Ripple, the company. And that if Ripple, the company, went to...
So that's part of the Howey test, where you, the investor, rely on a centralized authority to make money. You understand what I mean? If it's decentralized, it can go anywhere, right? It can go to the moon, you can get wrecked. That's how decentralization works. That's why we in the crypto world, guys, we in the crypto world can get insane things like this, right? Free money, $8,330 because it's not centralized. It is decentralized. I know people say it's a scam. I know people say it's dangerous, but because we take the risk, we get money like that. You understand that? If it's centralized, then it's kind of limited, right? It's kind of limited. What else does Gary say about this?
Why, as you noted, there's not much use of XRP. In fact, for the first 3 or 4 years, or 5 years even, there was no use. And then they prototyped something called XRapid.
And that's the thing again. What is the utility of this token? I always ask myself, when I recommend something for this, right? When I recommend, when I'm going into a token or I'm buying a token, I'm selling a token, I always look in the use case. What is it used for? If it's used for something that's of utility, if that case goes very well for the company, then the value of the token goes up. For example, Uniswap, right? Because of this GameStop thing and all this Robinhood problems and all the problems with centralized exchanges, Uniswap tokens have gone up. Okay, the value of Uniswap has gone up because there is a utility, and this is what you guys need to find. Okay, let's go. Can I have Uniswap here? Yeah, why don't we find Uniswap? This is very important. So I hope you guys understand cryptos like a company. Okay, it's like a share, not like going to the moon here, going to the moon there. There is no point in going to the moon that way, because you know why? You're going to end up in the sea somewhere, okay? You're going to end up in the sea, and no one's going to rescue you, okay? So that's Tetherius. Okay, it doesn't have that. Maybe it has UniUSD. I want to see UniUSDT, Uniswap there. I'm going to just go Gemini. Yeah, let's go to Gemini. Okay, Gemini is another exchange there. Look at that. See, 20, look at that. Look at that, right? Look at that. Whenever, when this attack started on GameStop, look at the value of Uniswap. So now you know that here we have this, okay? This is the situation that we have here. Okay, Professor Gary, I hope you don't mind me using this. We have the real world here,
correct,
okay?
the main product of Ripple.
We have the real world here under a situation where things are centralized,
company.
Okay? And this is, wait, let me
There's
get
a
this.
messaging and a
I want to draw here, okay? So, but I'm hitting this, so that's kind of wrong. Now I'm gonna go somewhere else. I am probably, can I go here? Yeah, I'm gonna go here, okay? So I can draw here. So we have things that in the real world are centralized. People don't like that, right? People want things decentralized. Where is the decentralization, guys? Where is the decentralization? Hello, it's in crypto. And that's why the cryptocurrencies are going up. And that's why you can see that the value of even free tokens like ICP is like 8,000 US dollars, right? You understand what I'm saying, right? It's 8,000 US because there is a reason. This is decentralization into cryptocurrencies. That's all it is. It is a movement, okay, to give us the freedom. You understand that or not? And soon you will also see exchanges in crypto even having like shares of GameStop, even having like shares of silver. So next time when they want to trade silver, or they want to speculate against silver, or they want to speculate against GameStop, where do they go to, guys? They are going to go into crypto. Do you understand that? And you'll see that what's happening next week, okay? And that is why I have told you, since suddenly people come to crypto. Thank you, Wall Street's bet. Guess what happens? That's why on Wednesday you can see I can make 10 times my money. You want to see how I do it, right? You want to see the real number, right? Let me tell you, the real number is more than that. But you can also make 10 times your money if you understand the dynamics of the business, which is going towards decentralization, right? This is something that I feel that you guys really need to understand, okay? And once you understand this, and then really, then you can understand, and then basically you can now study what is going to go up, what's going to go down, and you can make better educated decisions. So that's Gary Gensler. So what else does he say here? Okay, blockchain, yeah, blockchain scholars. So this is good, right? So it's very interesting now because I want to see also what the SEC and Gensler will do about this, right? Wall Street bets, because these guys are really becoming big. Look at that. GameStop is just a battle, because this is a battle between Wall Street and Main Street. And this is what we're going to see next week. And I am glad that now, while the battle, I'm telling you guys now, okay, I'm giving you an advance warning. Don't say, maybe you better follow my show. Because if you follow my show, you'll know the future. And if you don't take action, you will regret. Don't say, I didn't tell you this. The battle now is done through Robinhood and centralized exchange. You understand me? But the future battle, look at this, guys. Main Street and Wall Street will be done in decentralized exchanges, right? DEX, they will go from here to here. And once you have the battle here, guess what happens? The value of these things, will go up, right? And that is what you are going to see on Wednesday. You understand me? So this is something very important, okay? This is something very important. This is something very, very important that you guys really need to understand. There's a problem with audio. Maybe I should do this, okay? I should wear this. Tell you, let me wait, okay? So you understand that, right? So this is why you always have to front run the liquidity. Let me wear this. I'm gonna wear this. Okay, can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me? Problem with audio? I don't know, is there a problem with audio? I am not sure. Let me see this. Okay, can you guys hear me now, right? Okay, yeah, I don't know. For me, it's kind of okay here. So you have to remember that if you want to be successful, you always want to front run the liquidity. You understand me? And that is why this period is so critical. This period now is so critical for the future, because once you get this right, then you will get the rest of the thing right. You will have a very, very happy time in crypto. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, this is slowing down. Bitcoin doesn't seem to be impacted, but that's because I have it on a daily chart, right? I should have it on this. Let me take out the drawing there. Let me take out the drawing here. Okay, okay, sorry, I pressed mute there. Let me take out my drawings here. Annotate, get out here. Okay, so again, this is, no, that's Uniswap. That's not Ripple, right? That's Uniswap. I'm gonna change this back to Ripple. Okay, sorry. I really have to change this back. What did I should have put Ripple in place of Stellar, right? So again, just know that the battle lines are changing now. I believe that this is the most exciting phase of crypto that's happening now, okay? So as the battle goes into yeah. Oh, it's gone down. It got dumped, guys. It really got dumped. So you see what's happening here? But let's see what happens tonight. I don't know what's happening, okay? I don't know what's happening here. Because, you know, I want to see whether this is a pump and dump. You see what's happening here is because of Ripple is getting sued. That's kind of like it's supposed to go down, right? I think there are a lot of shorts going against Ripple. And what does Wall Street bets do? When there are a lot of shorts, they like to go against the grain, right? And then there's suddenly that. And that is why they were shorting this. So that is it for now. Let's see on Wednesday. We will continue this on Wednesday to see what's happening on Wednesday, okay? The result of Ripple so that we can follow into Wall Street bet on Monday. But on Wednesday, you will understand more when people move into crypto, how I can make 10 times my money. Okay, guys, goodbye. See you later. See you Wednesday. Bye.